Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw light blue from Rainbow Friends using an easy method. First, let's establish the basic shapes. Start with a large, rounded rectangle for the main body. Then, add 2 elongated ovals for the arms, one on each side. Finally, place a simple circle at the top to represent the head. These foundational shapes will guide our drawing process, making it super simple to get started. Now, let's bring light blue's face to life. For the eyes, draw 2 large, wide-set circles near the top of the head. Inside each eye, add a smaller black circle for the pupils, giving him a curious gaze. Below the eyes, sketch a wide, curved line for the mouth, ensuring it shows a friendly, open smile. These features are key to capturing his recognizable expression. Moving on to the limbs and a unique detail. Refine the arm ovals, making them slightly tapered towards the ends. For the legs, draw 2 short, stubby shapes at the bottom of the main body, giving him a stable base. Don't forget the single, thin antenna extending from the very top of his head. This small detail adds a lot to his character, making him instantly recognizable. For our final steps, let's clean up and add color. Carefully outline all your sketch lines with a darker pen or marker, making your drawing pop. Once the ink is dry, gently erase any visible pencil guidelines to achieve a clean, polished look. Finally, color the entire body and limbs a vibrant light blue, leaving the eyes white for contrast. You've successfully drawn light blue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.